Welcome to Law Family. This video is helpful to the law students and newly practicing young advocates only. Today, we discuss about the sections 336 1 and 2 of BNS Act 2023. Corresponding law is sections 463 and 465 of IPC.
Welcome. Evidence proof. First point that the accused made, signed, sealed, or executed the document or any part of it, or made a mark denoting execution. Point 2 that he did as in first point with the intention of causing it to be believed the such document was made, signed, sealed, or executed by or by the authority of another person, or that it was executed at a particular time. Point 3 that such other person did not so execute or did not authorize such execution, or that such execution was not at that particular time. Part 4 that the accused knew that it was not so executed either by such person or by the authority of such person or at the time. Point 5 that he or she did as in first point and second point above points dishonestly or fraudulently or with intention, A, to cause damage or injury, or B, to support any claim or title, or C, to cause a person to part with property, or D, to cause any person to enter into any express or implied contract, or E, to commit a fraud or that a fraud might be committed.
Important points proving forgery. Important points proving 1. The making or executing of the document by someone. Second one is that the accused afterwards altered such document by cancellation otherwise. Third one is that such alteration was in a material part of the document. Fourth one is that the accuser had no lawful authority to make such an alteration. And fifth one is that he did so dishonestly or fraudulently or with intent, etc., as in above. Another key points proving. One is that the accuser caused a person to sign, seal, execute, or alter document. Second one is that such person, when doing as in, one is was ignored of the contents of the document or of the nature of the alteration. And third one is that such ignorance was due to unsoundness of mind, or intoxication, or a deception practiced upon him. And fourth one is that the accused know of such ignorance and the reason thereof. Fifth one is that he or she, when causing such person to sign, etc., acted dishonestly or fraudulently or with intent, etc., as in above. Prosecution part, where it is alleged on behalf of the prosecution that a deed is forged, it is not sufficient for the prosecution to prove that it is improbable. Important word is improbable here. That the deed as genuine, but it must prove for a certainty that the deed is forged.
Section 336, Part 2, Punishment Part. This is shall be punished with imprisonment of up to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. In case of commits forgery, intending the document or electronic record forged shall be used for the purpose of cheating, shall be punished with imprisonment up to 7 years with fine. In case of forgery, intending that the document or electronic record forged shall harm the reputation of any party, etc., shall be punished up to 3 years with fine. Simple forgery without intent to cheat or harm reputation. This is bailable and non-cognizable. Forgery for cheating, non-bailable and cognizable. Forgery for harming reputation. Forgery for, once again, forgery for harming reputation, bailable and non-cognizable. This video is purely theory. The Honorable Court may decide each case on merits. This is the part 1 of forgery section and forgery video. Thank you.
Thank you.